Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is your Amiga Chinita and oh no, yeah, this is your Amiga Chinita and guys, this is in connection with my actually this is for the Amiga from sporty to girly. So this is my brand account. So another account for your Amiga Chinita. And this is going to be my journey for my my evolution for evolution to become a woman. So today I'm going to make this a review of the new or the latest product of Maybelline New York, the Chic Hit. So I've got here I think a coral amber. So I'm going to try this, and amber or coral amber, I don't know, but this one is amber. They said coral amber. So I'm going to try this. This one you can use for here and for the lips and for the blush. Show you, this is my first review of because I don't know how to make up. I don't know how to use makeup. I don't know how to put makeup. So I'm going to show my progress here slowly. So I hope that you will join me to see my progress here, how I make progress or evolution or changes on my face, on how I will make, or how I put makeup, or how I make up myself. So and so this is the one that it's popular right now because it's summer, so people are using this, and I would love to try this one first, but I'm going to buy another one, or another more, but this is the one that I really like to try on my face. So let's see. This is, I think, 4.99 euros from Druni, because in Marbimundo we don't have it. So yeah, I put this one. So I think like this. I think I don't know. So this is bare face without powder or anything. So just like that, I think. And then another one on the other side. I hope that I'm doing the right thing. Guys, that I don't know how to make up or how to put makeup. So I hope that I did the right thing. And you can see if there is a changes or no. This is like orange because it's coral amber. Coral amber. So coral amber. So let's see. I don't know, guys. May changes ba? Is there any changes on my face? Ay, parang maganda siya. Oo nga, ang ganda. Meron siyang diba? Oh. Meron siyang changes. Kinamay ko lang talaga. I use my fingers on it. Say hi at least.
No, okay. Amiga Chinita.
Where's your head? Here. Oh, look. This is my new haircut. Show my haircut. I said haircut that you're thin. So that's it, guys. So I hope that you can see. So this is the Chic Hit. Ay, maligtad pala. Chic Hit in Coral Amber from Maybelline. So this is really good. So this is my review for this one, and try it, and it's really good, especially this summer. So this is the blush for summer. Liquid blush. So this is the liquid blush from Maybelline. Ay, nahulog. Ano ba yan? Bye guys! I hope that you will subscribe on my channel. And this is my new channel, Amiga, from sporty to girly. So guys, bye!